13262 is one of the most powerful works by Zhao Wuqi in the 1960s, a stylistic period that we now call the Hurricane period. In this decade, Zhao Wuqi arrived at the first pinnacle of his career. He was widely invited by major galleries and museums in Europe, America, and Asia, and held exhibitions. He was undoubtedly the most renowned international Chinese artist in the post-war period. Zhao Wuqi successfully fused Eastern culture with Western modernism. His calligraphy-inspired brushwork is a bold and powerful feature of his painting, signifying a cosmic energy movement from the center and then spreading across the overall canvas, which illustrate the Taoist philosophy of the creation of the universe. This centralized composition could also be seen as the representation of the artist's self-consciousness, demonstrating his determined mentality and self-confidence at this stage. Zhao Wuqi was born on the 13th of February, which is exactly the date of completion for 13262. As Valentine's Day is the day after his birthday, 13262 also reminds us of Mei Zhao, the charming Hong Kong movie star and Zhao Wuqi's second wife since 1959. This passionate, romantic relationship brought the artist unprecedented courage and inspiration. We could imagine that on this very special day, Zhao celebrated his birthday and enjoyed an intimate moment with Mei as he completed this painting.